Bachelor of Computer Application or Computer Science Engineering, right? So in today's video, I'll be differentiating between BCA and CSE and also the scope and the in-depth knowledge and the career opportunities which you will get. So lots of the students are confused between the two and ask many questions regarding which one is suitable and applicable for them. So in today's video, we will basically differentiate between BCA and CSE. So stay tuned and keep watching this video. And also, welcome back to Oracle Ninjas Education. So without wasting any time, let's start. So starting with first, Bachelor of Computer Application. So what is this? So it basically focuses on software applications and it teaches programming, web development, databases and basic computer science. It is more about using technology to build software and solve problems. And for example, you will learn how to make websites and apps, and also you will learn programming languages like Java, Python and PHP. And coming back to computer science engineering, which is a part of B.Tech, and they have different branches in the CSE department, which is divided into artificial intelligence, the CSE core, then information technology, then CSBS, and many more, which also includes mechanical and electrical. So it is a full-fledged computer engineering course, and it covers both software and hardware, and it basically includes deep computer science theory, data structures, algorithms, artificial intelligence, then machine learning and computer networks, etc. And another question is, who is suitable and eligible to pursue either of these courses? So for BCA, it's not a problem for any students because any student from any stream can take BCA in their bachelor's program until and unless he has maths or computer application, because that is compulsory. And for computer science engineering, only the science student can pursue CSE, and also they will have to have PCM, physics, chemistry and maths. And having computer science is optional, but PCM is mandatory. Even students who are from the PCB background having biology won't be eligible to apply for computer science engineering. So most of the students asked questions like, which one is tougher? What is the learning load between BCA and computer science engineering? So basically in computer science engineering, the students will have to study more because there are more subjects, and the students will have to handle complex logic and even have to build hardware based systems. And in BCA, students mostly learn about programming and building websites and apps developments and learning programming through Python and Java. And are there any entrances for either of the courses? Of course there are entrances for CSE, but not for BCA. For BCA you only need 12 qualification, and you will have to either have CS or maths from any stream. And for CSE you will have to appear for lots of entrances if you want to get yourself enrolled in top colleges. And the entrances entrances include WVJ for West Bengal students, of course, then JEE, then IMJ for IM college, etc. And also you will have to have a background of PCM. So if you're looking for deeper knowledge and tech jobs or product based companies, then CSE is tougher but more powerful in the long run. And if you want to enter the IT industry quickly or want to pursue MCA or MBA later, then having BCA is a smooth and focused path. So in short, computer science engineering is equal to more in-depth technical learning plus more options. And for BCA it is normally focused on software development, and it is a good starting point for students who want to have further studies like MCA and MBA. Coming back to the salary comparisons, for a starter, for a freshers who have just completed his BCA, he can earn starting from 2.5 to 4.5 LPA. And in terms of BCA, he has a chance of earning as a fresher starting from 4 to 8 LPA. And with experience, a BCA graduate can earn starting from 5 to 10 LPA. And in terms of computer science engineering, it can go up to 25 LPA plus. For the colleges, for good recommendation for both computer science engineering and Bachelor of Computer Application, there are lots of top-notch colleges with great infrastructure in Kolkata. For example, NSHM, then IEM, then Admission University, Brainware University, Narula Institute of Technology, Haldia, and many more. So I won't name all the institutes. I have already mentioned the honorable colleges, but there are more. So if you want great return of investment and placement, including campus life, you can directly contact us and have the college inquiry as well as for the admission process. Our team is there to help you guys, and take your first step towards your career and don't waste any time, because 12th exam has already finished and the result will be coming soon. And if you also want direct admission from management quota, the seats are very limited. Book your seat as soon as possible and call us, because the number and WhatsApp link is already given in the description, and our team is there to help you make the best career option. And talking about the market, okay, there are lots of students going for CSE or BCA. There are lots of competitions, lots of demands, and also you can see in the geopolitics sector that recession will be coming soon, and most of the people are saying that there will be difficulty in getting jobs in the future, because when recession hits, lots of people go on unemployment. But it's not the case, and you students don't have to worry, because until and unless you learn the right skills and have an edge over the competitors, then you will have demand in the market. And to learn extra skills, you will have to give your time in learning those skills. Nowadays, degree certificates has become very common, and all the students have degree certificate. And in the corporate market, they don't just hire anybody who just have certificate. They hire the students who have skills in particular field. For example, if a student have in-depth knowledge in SAP rather than students who just have an MBA degree, then obviously the corporate will prefer the student who has degree as well as have SAP skills. So I'm telling you again and again that don't forget to learn extra skills, even it means your communication. These type of things will help you in the long run. And even though recession is coming, if you have these particular skills, then you are going to grab a good opportunity in the market. So these were all for today's video, and if you have any doubt or inquiry regarding anything, you can already I have mentioned it. Our contact is given in the description, and these are all. And if you love this video and if you find this video informative and helpful, do share and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. And until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.